little people like me and you that just bought on the day, we hurt. Oh, that makes my belly hurt all the time. Come on, baby, break that bar. I know you want to. Just go up. Just scoot it up. Scooch it up. Come on. Come on. You see how it done that? It jumped up all the way to $24. Come on, I know you want to. I know you do, baby. See, now you'll notice that, you don't see all these little lines and graphs and charts and stuff on my stuff. I get messed up, but, well, James, you don't, you're not a real trader. You don't have 600 screens going at once. You don't have, 5 computers running at the same time. You're not, running CNBC in the background and got stock ticker symbols running across your desk. You ain't no trader. I just laugh at them. I say, I make more money than you do. Isn't that sad? You got all them gadgets and gadgets and expensive platforms. I just use what comes with my broker. I mean, you don't need that stuff. Y'all, look. Are you watching me? Are you watching this? I'm buying 200 shares. Thing broke the red bar. I just said this. I'm telling y'all. Y'all don't need that stuff. You see these people on Facebook and YouTubes, and I know you come across them, and they try to act like they know stuff, and, oh, I don't know. Well, no, he don't know, but I know. And then, well, no, he don't know nothing. I know something. Watch me. I know you come across them. And it's all malarkey. It's all bull. And a lot of it is people that are just trying to get you to buy their course, for $2,000 or something crazy like that. I'm doing this stuff for free. I ain't charging nobody nothing. This is my Robinhood account. I'm going to buy this Palantir for myself. This is my other account. I just use this to, do my live trades so that people can see. I mean, and this is pattern trading, okay? You got to understand that there are patterns and stuff which can be found on my website. You can just go there and sign up to become a member. It's free. It's free to sign up, and the courses that I have there are free. You ain't got to pay nothing. I got patterns there. I got live trading videos. You can see me do this over and over and over again. Now, how can I do that over and over and over again? How can I be successful doing this? Because these are patterns. This is reactive trading. You pick your stock based on the news, right? A catalyst. Good news, which is 9 times out of 10 an earnings report. Then you've got the psychology and predicament that you've got to do. Think to yourself, what is the trader and investor on Wall Street at the stock exchange going to think, and how are they going to react to this news? Then you look for a pattern, okay, just like this, what you see happening here. God, come on, baby, go. Now, see, when we started this out, I was $1,100 in the hole, and now I'm only $270 in the hole. I mean, that quick, a stock can turn around. But we knew this was going to happen because of the pattern. History repeats itself. These patterns show up time and time and time again. This is a V-shaped recovery that we're watching right now. Come on, bust through that top of that bar. Bust it. Come on. This U-shaped recovery, man. These V-shaped recoveries, I'm sorry. It's just, this is what a trader wants to see. This is what a trader wants to see. Okay, going to get a couple 200 more shares. Now we're at 1450. Well, 1,450 shares. Now remember, I can get in at this position. I can get in with this. Come on. Come on. See, we're pushing it. We're pushing it. See, all I need to do. Come on. $140. $125. See, we're coming out of the red. We're bouncing around, but there again, this is market static. This is just the nature of the beast. I know it's terrifying. I know it's horrifying to, see them red numbers popping up, and $200, $300, $700 in the hole. I know that's terrifying, but you've got to tell yourself this stock is going to go up. You've got to be confident in your analysis of the stock you pick, and basically what it boils down to is all that matters is that you're right. That's all that matters. You think stock's gonna go up? Okay, then just hope and bet that you're right. All right. See, look, we're positive $93. We're in $100. $78. $49. See, we're bouncing around. It's that market static. $64. $20. This is the price action. And we've only been in this trade 20 minutes, 25 minutes. This is one of the longest trades I've ever been in, but when there's lots of money to be made, it's worth it. Look, $180, $195, $150, all the way up from 49 bucks. That's how fast it can happen. $180, $151, $165. Look at them traders. They are going crazy. They are going ape shit. They love this. They love that money. Make that money. Make that money. That's what it's about. Why is that doing that? 151, 136, 107, back up to 136, 165, give me 200, go up to 200, give me 200, $200, give me $200, nope, nope. Tell you, as soon as this thing dies off, I'm out of here. When the volume starts slowing down, you know it's pretty much tapped out. It's went where it's gonna go, and it ain't gonna go nowhere else. It's pretty much done. Oh, back in the red. See, that's that market static. I'm telling you guys. Don't freak out. Don't panic. Just let the thing breathe. Alright. Thursday, August 12th. I've got all these. This is how I found this stock, y'all. Came to NASDAQ, went to the earnings calendar, clicked on today's date. Remember to organize your list, market cap, largest to lowest. Then show only these little yellow suns, means it's before market open. These are the stocks that are going to report before market open. So we checked on this one, wasn't no good. Had a bad earnings report. This one had a bad earnings report. And this one had a bad earnings report. But Palantir had a great earnings report. So we discussed it in the Discord chat room. What the game plan for the day was going to be for this stock. So we bought it. And now we're just going to hold it until the profit is made. Some of these guys, some of y'all in there, just wanted to wait and write it down before buying. Some that, have the capital to work with, just bought in at market open and Alright, what are we doing? I ain't breaking that bar yet. I need it. See these two right here? They're exactly the same. See, this is perfect. This is the most. I couldn't have made a better day to make this video. I know y'all love our live trading sessions. God, look at this. We're already up $180, $194, $223, $165. See, this is how fast it can happen. $122, $165, $151, $136. $151. Come on, break that bar. See, it just broke the bar. Now it's got to break this red one. The very first bar. It broke the very first bar. All right, now look at it. $340, $267, $310. We're getting it. Go, baby. $354, $368. $383, we're going. $400, shooting for the moon, baby. Shooting for the moon. I know some of you guys are killing it. Y'all are just eating today. Alright, let's go and see how the Palantir. See, this is how you do it. Go to Google, you type in the stock you pick, and you come down here in the news. See what we find? Palantir rises as earnings meets views and revenues tops estimates. You know, come down, but Palantir revenue jumps 49% in the second quarter. I mean, these are gumdrops. This is candy. This is joy to a trader. Look at that, $484, $455. I mean, we just took our eyes off the thing for like 2 seconds, and look what happened. We are already, this is great. We could not have chose a better day to do this video. Now, usually my daily target, you know, depends on you, but mine's usually $400, $500, $600. $412. I might take that. As soon as this thing slows down, it slows and it drops. So we need to 513. I'm gonna take that. 499. Oh, I'm gonna take that. And we're out. $513 in the bag, and that's how you day trade.